Hey everyone on YouTube. Today we're going to be reviewing oEdRo headlights. These are 9006 size headlights, and they will be an upgrade from the halogens currently in my 2013 Dodge Dart. And as you can see or cannot see on the label, they are LED headlights, and so let's get this open. Show you guys what they look like. Box is pretty cool, and it does say oEdRo, light up your way. And there's a size right there on the corner, 9006. My Dodge Dart uses 9012 9012, but 9006 does work with a little bit of modification, but that's up to you if you want to do the modification. I will be doing this in order to mount them into my Dart. And so the back shows a few details, the website, telephone number, email in case you guys have any questions, and the warranty is for 3 years. It's a nice sturdy box. Has a wax paper with the oEdRo label, light up your way, your slogan, an LED headlight manual, and here are the headlights. And these are fanless, so you don't have to worry about these making any noise at all. And they do have 3 LEDs on each side. Very nice, very well made, and the housing is all aluminum. And here's a ballast, it says oEdRo on it, some voltage information, temperature information. The color temperature on these is 6000 K, so it'll be a white light. And this connection, it's a 9006 connection, but as I said, 9012 is also a comparable one. And it does have a rubber seal here, so it does seal it from getting any moisture inside the headlight housing. And these are waterproof as well. Very cool color and very well made. And the LED headlight manual on those oEdRo headlights, they actually include some zip ties, which is a nice detail in order to zip tie it all together. These oEdRo headlight bulbs are rated at 8000 lumens, which is 4000 lumens per bulb, so 8000 total. And also they're supposed to have no dark spots. And right now these 9006 bulbs are going for $39.99 on Amazon, so I'll be posting that link on the description